Hello guys, welcome you all to another section of the class. Quickly, I'm going to put you through on how to use the 1688 app, okay? If you don't have the app, please try and download the app. This is how it looks like. You go to Chrome browser on your website in 1688. In the website, you download the app, okay? This app cannot be downloaded on Play Store. I explained that already, okay? And once you have the app, you can then have access through it. Okay, the difference between this app and the website is that through the website you can actually have access to translate, you can have access to see things in English. A lot, almost everything will be translated to English, while here you have to be using the Google Translate often, translate from Chinese to English, back to Chinese. If you're chatting with your supplier, everything, okay? And here in this very app, you have access to use a camera to search for products via your gallery instead of typing. Very fast access to those that actually want a specific design, product design. They want a specific product design, but they actually can't go and start typing. They just want to use, let's just say, this very bag specification. Okay, they actually want to have a bag like this, but if you type in bag, it will bring different bag styles and results for you. And you can see here actually it brought something similar to what you searched for, so it's left for you to select to actually know what kind of bag you're actually looking for. That's the essence of that camera. Okay, then for the scanning, I told you how, why the scanning is used and why we use the scanning. Here you can type in, like, maybe the product you want to type in is ladies handbags. Okay, you can type in English and it will bring out products for you. Okay, so like, let's say the product actually you want to buy is any of these handbags, and let's just say, okay, let's use this pretty handbag. Okay, you can swipe and see that there are actually different various designs of this very bag. Okay, so here everything is written in Chinese. Okay, it's left for you to just convert. So if you actually want to order via the app, you know that the app has no difference with the way the 1688 website is. So under this 10 yuan, you just click on where you see 6, right? Once you click on, then the first you see the number which in the color which is red, maybe your purchase order is 1. The second one, purchase order, is blue, you see 1. Purchase order is black, and then the second one, purchase order, is 1. So you see you are having a total of 4 different varieties of cotton color bag, and your total price is 221.68 yuan. Okay, then you click on order. But because I'm not ready to place any order now, I'm just trying to show you guys a glance through on how you can actually use your 1688 app. Okay, so quickly, without any delay, guys, also, sorry, I'm also going to show you on how to actually chat with a supplier for a specific product you want to actually acquire using the 1688. So you see where you are having a star, you're having a 3 different symbol, where the middle you have a star, then something looks like a message. You click on it, actually that will take you directly to chat with this very supplier. Okay, then like I said, it has no difference. Okay, the only thing is you have to be converting from Chinese using your Google Chrome Google Translate. Okay, so and more to this. Okay, more to this. Next, I'll be showing you on how to calculate your shipping and everything once you're purchasing from. Okay, let's quickly go down to Chrome for you guys to be able to understand, since everything in this Chrome browser is in English. Because if we say we're going to actually use the app itself, it's really going to take enough of our time, because we have to be copying, pasting, and etc. Okay, let's say this is the website itself. Yeah, let's say this is the website itself. So this very bag, okay, we let's translate. Okay, so let's say this very bag now, actually we want to make order, purchase order for this bag. I actually told you guys how to actually chat with your supplier, how to check the size of product and everything in the last video. Okay, so yeah, quickly we're going to be calculating how we're going to be knowing how to calculate for this product actually without the need of a middleman. Okay, so let's say this very product now, I'm purchasing this product, right? Specification 16 colors available. Okay, let's say I order for pink one, dark blue one, black one, gray one, deep purple one, big red one, white one, and black hardware love one. Okay, so my network is so poor. Okay, let's just use example for this very bag, or let's use a shoe. Okay, let's just use the network. Let's use a shoe. Okay, you come to the website using your Chrome browser, you type in, search in what you want. Let's say slippers, shoe, lady slippers. You type in lady slippers. Okay, it's going to bring out different varieties of what you want. Okay, so let's just say maybe your purchase order is for this with 12.63 yuan, these very slippers, right? Make sure that you always translate. Okay, so let's say want to purchase for this, right? I showed you this order now, this add to purchase order. That's, it's something you're reserving, not that you're actually ordering immediately. Add to purchase, that's add to part of the items you actually set for purchase order. Okay, so here quickly you click on specification, right? You type in the size and color you want. Okay, so let's say what you need is my network is so poor. Let's say what you need is black, size 36, which is 2, brown, size 37, 2, white, size 37, 2, and black, size 39, 2. That's giving you a total of 8 pieces. So you see the total amount of your goods is 200 and 273 273 yuan, right? 273 yuan. Sorry guys, my network. I don't actually know what is happening. Like, the network is so slow. Okay, so we're back to this very space, guys. Okay, so once you click on the order now, like I told you how to put in your address and everything. Okay, so let's say these are total price, which is 300 303 yuan. Okay, that's plus the price for cost of shipping, that's the local shipping from your supplier to your shipping agent in China, and plus the total amount of this very shoe you are ordering. So the total amount for this very shoe, now I'm going to I want us to have a mat here. Okay, I'm going to set in a camera where you can see all this. So we have cost for item. Cost for item, we said, is 273 yuan, or 73 yuan, or RMB, anyone. Then local shipping, that's from your supplier to your agent, is 30 RMB. RMB is same as yuan, okay? So then your international shipping, let's say per kg, international, okay, you know what, guys? I'm just going to set a camera back so that we can quickly see, have a glance of what I'm doing here, okay? Okay, guys, as you can see, sorry, I have to like bring this book and pen for you all to see this. So we have first we have our cost of item, which is 273 RMB, right? Then we have our local shipping, which is 30 RMB. You guys saw it, right? So we then have international shipping. Okay, this international shipping, it depends on your shipping agent. If their shipping fee for per kg is $10 per kg, then it's $10. Other shipping agents maybe can be 11, some can be 8, it depends. So let's just use example for this $10 per kg, okay? So clearing cost is 450 per kg. So this clearing cost is the cost for clearing goods, for your goods, okay, for your items, okay? Then plus international shipping. So now let's say, oh god, what happened? Sorry, guys. So now let's say let's calculate for shipping first before we join in with the item. So now let's say dollar, the rate of dollar, let's say the rate of dollar now is let's just say the rate of dollar is 500, okay? Today it can change, guys. We're just using example. Let's just say the rate of dollar today is 500. So you say 500, you say that's $10 per kg, right? So you say 10 times 500, okay? Guys, I don't have calculator here, but I don't know, you guys will just help me. I can assume, but I don't want to really assume here. Okay, let's say 10 times 500 will give us 5,000 naira, right? So we have 5,000 naira here. That's 5,000 naira per kg. That's 5,000 naira per kg, okay? So the clearing cost, we have 450. That's we have 5,450 naira. Guys, are you seeing? Are you following? Okay, so we have a total, that's both for the clearing fee and international shipping, for just a kg is 5,450. Okay, so now let's come back to the weight of, like, you know, if your item, if the weight of your item is let's say 2 kg, let's say 2 kg, right? You're going to say 2 times 5,450. So it's going to give you how much? It's going to give you over like 10,900. 10,900. So if your product, the weight of your product, if the weight of your product is like 50 kg, you have to say 50 times 5,450 naira. Okay, whatever it gives you, that's the cost of your shipping. Okay, so now before we come back to this, let's not forget what actually brought us here, which is cost of item. Cost of item, we said is 273 RMB. So RMB as of today, we can say, let's use RMB as of today, let's say 85 naira per RMB. So we're now going to say okay, 85 times 273, what it gives you, that's the cost of that product in naira. So okay, we're going to say 85 RMB. Guys, I want you to be following, please. Let's say 85 RMB times 273. That's, you have two, sorry, what am I even doing? Okay, 85 times, hope guys, you guys are also doing it, 85 85 times 273 yuan or RMB will give you 2000, sorry, 20,300. Guys, how much is it, please? I don't really know. Let's just say, because I don't understand what this calculator is giving me here. Okay, guys, let's just say 85 to just save time. Let's say 85 times 273 RMB. Let's just say maybe it's giving us like, let's say 10,000. Let's say it's giving us 10,000. Okay, that's the price for the item. That's the price for the item is actually 10,000 naira. Okay, because while we are using, somebody might ask, where do we bring this 85 from? This 85 is actually the rate of RMB today. It can change, you understand? So you have to now say, just like the way we converted in dollar, we said the rate of dollar is 500 naira per dollar. Same with 85 per RMB. Okay, so 85 times 273 RMB will give you the cost price in naira. Same with dollar here. 500 times the price of dollar in kg will give you the total price in naira. Okay, so now we have 10,000 naira for the cost of item. So local shipping, we said is 30 RMB. So let's say 30 RMB, 30 RMB times 85. And let's say maybe because of time, we are assuming, guys, okay? Don't be confused, please. These digits are wrong, okay? We're just assuming. Let's say 30 RMB times 85. Maybe it gives us, let's say 1,000 naira. That's what it gives us. Gave us 30 RMB. That's the cost of local shipping times 85 naira per RMB. This is what is giving us 1,000. So you say 1,000. You now say 1,000. That's the cost for local shipping plus the product price. That's 10,000. How much is this, guys? We are having we're having 10,000. We're having 11,000, sorry. We're having 11,000, right? Then you're now going to say 11,000 plus 10,900. Don't be confused. Where we got this 10,900 is the total cost for shipping. Total cost for shipping. That's from China down to Nigeria. So this is the actual amount of products. And this is the total price of the or total cost you're going to be having. So let's say 11,000 plus 10,000, that's 21,900. This is the total amount you're to spend when you're shipping this item from China down to Nigeria. Okay, so if you're in Lagos, it's more easier for you to pick up. But if you're other places, you can then add another cost price for way bill. Maybe your way bill can be 3,000 naira to any state from Lagos. Okay, so okay, guys, now let's just say you are not in Lagos and the way bill is 3,000, and now you're having 24,900. This is the total cost of what you are spending. Okay, this is the total cost of what you're spending to get this very bag to you. Okay, guys, one thing I want you to know here is that if you know that this very amount that you're using or spending to get this bag is not worth it, if you know that the cost of shipping is totally higher than the cost of the actual product you are buying, and maybe the market price and everything is not worth it, then please debunk. That's leave it. Don't come and order or purchase for something in 1688 that the shipping rate is way higher than the product price. And make sure you always ask your agent, know the shipping fee per kg from your agent. Okay, and one thing I want you to know is that someone might say, what if your product, that's the actual product you're buying, the weight is lesser than 1 kg? Okay, this is actually what you need to do. We have 5,450 as our total cost for shipping. That's plus clearing and international shipping, right? Total cost for international shipping plus clearing, right? So let's say if your product is let's say maybe it's 2 bag you want to buy, or just 1 bag, and maybe the weight of that product is not up to a kg, let's say is 0.8 kg. So what you do is you say 0.8 kg times this 5,450. Let's do the maths, guys, so that you actually see. Okay, because even when your product, I'm not actually saying that your product might actually weigh 1 kg. You have to wait for your shipping agent to ship in your goods. Once your items arrive Nigeria, then there you're going to know how much, or the weight, actual weight of your product. Okay, the actual weight of your product will be sent to you once it arrives Nigeria. So let's say 0.8. Let's use this my phone calculator. I hope it helps. 0.8 kg times 500 and 5,450. Okay, you see the price is giving us, if you can see, the price is giving us 4,000. I don't actually want the light. 4,360, right? You can see that's the actual amount for that's the actual weight of the product you are paying. That's the shipping and the clearing. You are actually not going to pay this 5,450, but instead you're going to be paying 4,360. So if the weight of your product is also 4.4 kg, if the weight of your product is also 4.4 kg, you times it by this 5,450. You get what it gives you. That's the weight of your product. And if your product is 100 kg, 10 kg, you still multiply it by this 5,450. Please, if you are confused in this calculation, please make sure that you ask questions. Okay, I'll be there to answer every questions. Make sure that this video, don't just watch it once. You can actually watch this video more than once for you to actually understand the calculation that was done here. Okay, so quickly, let's go back to here, our products here, which is, you see our freight and everything, that actually these very items you're buying, that's 13 pieces, 5 different colors of 13 pieces of bags, are actually giving you a total cost plus shipping, that's plus local shipping to your agent, because we don't know the international shipping until our product arrive Nigeria. So let's say the cost for shipping, and that's local shipping, and the cost for our product that we calculated. You see, you're going to actually have the total amount. That's where you're going to know the total amount what you're spending, which is, you will say our 85 RMB times 303. Some people will say, okay, let's go back to calculation and understand what you're saying. Let's say we have 303, that's the total amount, right? Sorry guys, let's come back here a little. So we have like 303, that's the total in RMB or yuan. Let's say RMB and yuan is the same thing. Okay, let's say this is the total amount, local shipping plus product price. Okay, then you now times it by 85, which I told you that the present rate of yuan right now is 85. This rate can change anytime. Okay, so let's say this is it. Okay, so you've calculated, you said 303 times 85. So what it gives you in naira, let's do it with my phone here. What it gives you in naira, you have 303 times 85. So it gives us a total of 25,750. 25,755. Okay, so this 25,755, this is the actual money you are going to pay to that supplier of yours in naira before you now talk of international shipping. And that international shipping, you are going to pay it only when your goods arrive Nigeria. So this is the only product, and this is the only amount you are going to be spending, 25,755 naira for 13 pieces of bags. You understand? For 30 pieces of bags. Guys, if you don't understand this, please send me a message and send me your questions, and I'll be right there to answer you. Okay, that is that for how to calculate the cost for products and shipping, and how to run everything on 1688. And once you're done, you know what you're paying for, then you click on submit. Guys, like I told you, once you click on submit, your address and everything of your agent is correct. You click on submit, and it's going to take you to Alipay. You make a bank transfer or you pay through Alipay. Once your payment is confirmed, you send it down to this very supplier. Once your payment is confirmed, it's going to even direct you directly to this very supplier that you actually purchase this item to. Is really going to take you there directly, or you send a message before you purchase your order. Okay, so that's that, guys. That's that for today. Please, any other questions, feel free. I'm very here and I'm available. Thank you so much. I remain my humble self, Rejoice, and you can call me Fiki. Okay,